See, I'm not worried about you, devil. I suggest you better lay low. Mess around with Zach, you ain't gonna like the way your day go. Like, I still awake and know why I gotta run away for. Nah, I'm stumping on your head into your Facebook like Play-Doh. I tear the devil down like Legos and eat a scripture up every morning like Egos. This is not a game, devil. I ain't playing Halo. Got angels all around me. I know you see the halos. So you can get your boys. They can't harm me on the cement. One of my angels will kill an army of your demons. He almost had me once. He tried to harm me when I was weekend. Introduced me to the women and the parties on the weekend. Introduced me to the Henny and Bacardi at the Legion. I was weekend, getting weaker, and a part of me was thinking. But see, a part of me was thinking that I'm a child of God and got departed from a heathen. See, I always been hungry for the word. The devil had me starving, wasn't eating. But then my Lord intervened and then my Father had to creep in. You see, now I'm getting fed. I get a harvest every season. Devil, if you think you can stop that, then you are retarded with your thinking. See, now I'm the hardest out to breathe and with the bars that I be speaking, and I'm farther from the grieving with the problems I perceive in. So I'm not worried about you, devil. I suggest you better lay low. Mess around with Zach, you ain't gonna like the way your day go.